As always, today I am here with another important video. In this video, I am going to share my experience with best pimple patches for sensitive skin 2023. Do pimple patches work? Which are the best ones? I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the best pimple patches 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Dr. Perlmutter recommends these patches from Hero Cosmetics. They contain medical-grade hydrocolloid to remove excess fluid and oils from blemishes, but she says they also maintain optimum pH level and temperature, which helps prevent bacterial overgrowth and promote healing. Mighty patches take about 6 to 8 hours to work, so they are a great option to use overnight. Any oil sucked out turns white on the transparent patch, so you can really see the benefit. These patches are transparent, turning slightly opaque once they're finished, so they look subtle on a variety of skin tones, and as they contain only hydrocolloid, they shouldn't dry out sensitive skin. They're also a great value. Number 2. Dr. Perlmutter also likes these ultra-thin options from Neutrogena, which are more discreet when applied. They're available in either dot or triangle shapes, with the latter specifically designed for angling on the side of your nose or for treating larger breakouts on the back or the chest. Containing just hydrocolloid, they're non-drying and non-irritating. Number 3. These patches, another by Mighty patch, are a favorite of both Dr. Shireen Idris, a board-certified dermatologist, and Vieira Newton. They're great because they are super ultra-thin, so you can barely see them. Sometimes I even lose track of where I put them when I look in the mirror, says Vieira Newton. On days where I have a really bad zit and want it to be protected from the horrible grime of the city, I use these. I've even thrown some concealer on top of it to further disguise it. Again, they contain only hydrocolloid, so they are kind to sensitive skin. Number 4. Dr. Idris, Vieira Newton, and Dr. Perlmutter each recommend these fun pimple patches that you're sure to have seen on your feet at least once. Each one is shaped like a star and uses hydrocolloid to draw out oil and gunk from pimples. They inject a bit of whimsy into not picking away at your face all day at an affordable price point. Number 5. Into adulthood, I've still been plagued with monthly flare ups of hormonal cysts on my chin. Like clockwork, the deep, painful, under-the-skin growths erupt to trumpet the arrival of my period, says strategist writer Dominique Perisso. After testing a few pimple patches and getting nowhere, she decided to. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.